course, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Gmail. Then click the Show Side Panel button, which looks like a greater than symbol. Icons of Google Apps will appear at the right side of the screen. The icon with the check mark is the symbol of Google Tasks. Click My Tasks and all of your tasks will be displayed. To add a task on your list, you go back to your inbox and select the email that you want to work on. Then click Add to Tasks. The email now will be directly added to your list. And if you want to create several lists to group different tasks, you can also do that by creating a new list. Click My Tasks and then Create New List. You then need to have to write a new name for your list and then click Done once finished. You will then see the list that you just created, and you can now start organizing your tasks by using the different lists that you have created in Google Tasks. You can even transfer tasks from one list to another. It's very easy, right? Go check it out.